Gurara Waterfalls is located in Gurara local government area of Niger State, Nigeria, adjoining the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Gurara Falls is one of the famous tourist spots in the country. Known for its serene and tranquil surroundings, the Gurara Falls is toured by nature lovers from various parts of the world. While on your tour to Gurara Falls, you can also enjoy nature walks. The spot of Gurara Falls is also ideal for picnic. Various picnic groups visit the falls for year-round merriment. Visitors are required to pay a 500 naira fee to gain entry. It's been Joshua Odeyemi for Daily Trust Online.